Hello，我哋而家講呢本書呢，係琪琪去公園玩啊！哇，呢度呢，琪琪媽媽呢就話啊，我帶你去公園玩喎。去到公園之後有好多花花，好靚啊，諗住摘俾媽媽喎。諗住，哎呀，我掹一朵俾媽媽先。跟住琪琪媽媽話唔可以摘㗎，咁樣唔啱㗎。跟住琪琪話好啦，我就去同其他小朋友一齊玩啊，玩踢波喎，仲有筆沙喎呢度。哇！呢度琪琪呢仲玩咗上滑梯啊，上落去啊，係啊，會起身。跟住呢，佢又玩咗第二樣嘢喎，玩呢個咩嚟㗎？搖搖板喎，係喎。哇！跟住佢見到呢個好開心啊！佢就話：小朋友你俾我玩啦！小朋友話唔得啊，我玩緊㗎。琪琪就唔開心同媽媽講啦：哎呀，小朋友唔俾我玩啊！琪琪媽媽就話：哦，琪琪唔可以插隊㗎，要輪流玩啊！我哋等小朋友玩完再玩啦。咁你而家去玩住第二樣嘢先啦，去玩乜嘢啊？玩千秋千喎，係喎。哇！跟住佢又同大家一齊去玩捉迷藏啊，真係開心啊！同小，咦？到最尾佢又可以玩翻呢個咯喎，呢個叫乜嘢啊？係喎，去到最尾又可以玩翻搖搖馬。
踢俾哥哥，係喎，好犀利啊！
Hello, let's do this one first. What animal is this one? This is? Good job. Can you put the panda here, please? That's the leg, where the leg goes. And the body. The body. Push, push, push. Oh, bless you. The body in the middle, yes. And the leg. And the head. Where's the head goes? Good job.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town.